If you're wondering how to turn off the center stage feature on your iPad, here is a simple guide. So, center stage is featured primarily used during the FaceTime calls. You can manage the center stage directly within the FaceTime application as well. Look for the camera view of yourself and tap on it, and this will bring up options including camera effects. Tap on that, and you'll see the center stage toggle. When enabled, center stage automatically keeps your face centered in the frame, and if more people enter the frame, it will adjust to include everyone. This is where you can easily turn it on or off. Alternatively, you can manage center stage through the control center. You don't need to be in this FaceTime app. Even if you're using the center stage with other video calling apps, you can access the control center, tap on the relevant button at the top, and if it's not available, you can tap and hold on to it, select add a control, and add that specific feature. And then enable or disable center stage from there as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.